When applying Greene County fertilizer products, or any product for that matter, it's so important that you read the label. The label has all the information you need to make sure that you have a successful application. Diverting from the label could cause damage not to the lawn, but potentially to you as well. So please, before applying any products, make sure you read the label and follow it. As May flips over to June, a question arises. What fertilizer can I apply? In this video, I'm going to talk about the best Greene County fertilizer products you can apply to your lawn in the month of June. June can feel like summer. Temperatures are rising, and if you have a cool season lawn, like me, you may feel tempted to dial back on the fertilizer. Go with your gut. If you want to dial back on your fertilizer, 402 Flora-Green is a great warm weather fertilizer choice. This is what my gut is saying. But in preparing for this video, I reached out to John Perry, and he said that it's perfectly fine to apply 1801 Green Punch to cool season lawns in the month of June. Simply put, keep on trucking. Whether you want to use Flora-Green, Green Punch, or Green Pop, you can't go wrong. Here in my tall fescue, I have applied very little fertilizer so far this season. A half rate of Green Charge at 8 ounces per thousand way back in March, and then 9 ounces per thousand of Flora-Green sort of in early May. For this application, I'm going to be going with Green Pop, as I want to give my lawn a pop of phosphorus, as phosphorus helps with root development. As things get stressful for the lawn in the summer, speaking to us cool season folks of course, having good, mighty roots will help get the lawn through the stresses of summer and get ready to pop in the fall. Pun intended. Speaking of stress, Green Kick is 100% soluble potassium, which helps with stress tolerance. I'm going to be mixing these two together. You also have CK or Seek, which is a highly concentrated sea kelp. This helps when you have visible signs of stress. So as things get dicey in the summer, there are options to help deal with the heat and stress tolerance. For warm season lawns, like my Bermuda back here, now is the time to shine. So go ahead and bust out some Green Charge and get your lawn looking fantastic. If you're feeling a little bit froggy, spike it with some Green Effect and get that lawn looking nuclear green. While you're applying any fertilizer, don't forget about the biostems. They do well year-round and make all fertilizers way more effective. Now, I don't know if you recall what the Bermuda looked like at the beginning of the season, but look at it now. Taking care of the weeds, applying some fertilizer. Now the lawn is actually looking really good. It does need a little bit of a charge with a little more fertilizer, but it's looking great. It's filling in. The clover spot over there is filling in. I mean, it's looking absolutely fantastic right now. So to wrap up specifically for cool season lawns, I feel like Green Pop is great to apply this time of year because you're gonna get an awesome color response with that 16% nitrogen, but you're feeding the root system with that 21% phosphorus, and that's key to help get you through the heat of the summer. Go ahead and spike this with some Green Kick because that 25% potassium is amazing for stress tolerance, and you can apply that throughout the summer. And for us warm season lawn folks, Green Charge is an excellent fertilizer to apply this month. It's really a great fertilizer to apply through the entire growing season, as it's going to turn your lawn a deep, dark, rich green. And for those creeping warm season grasses like Bermuda, it's going to charge them up, get them spreading, filling in any bare spots, and really having a good, thick, dense stand of turf. And as always, if you have any questions about any of the products that I talked about in this video, or any products that we have with Greene County Fertilizer, post those down below and we'll get to those as quickly as we can. Like this video if you haven't already, subscribe as it really does mean a lot to the channel and help us out a whole lot, and I'll see you all in the next video.